These are Spy Cyrus frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the lenses. So to remove the lenses, first you are going to pull outward on the top part of the frame and push down on the lens at the same time. Again, you're going to pull out and push, like so. Now you have the lenses removed. What you're going to do to reinstall them is line up the edges of the lens with the grooves on the frame. You want to do the far side first. So you're going to slide in the edges and just push down on the corners and it should pop right in. Again, far side into the far side. Make sure that they are aligned, and if you need to, you can take 2 fingers underneath and 1 finger on top and sort of bend the frame or bend the lens to get the corners into place, and the rest should pop in.